Hey, it's Leanne B.
What's up, it's Don Benjamin.
And we have some exciting news. We just launched our own shows on this new platform called Zeus.
Zeus is a new platform for digital content similar to Netflix, but shorter form.
My show is called Ice Cream.
My show is called Shirtless Chef with Don Benjamin. So check out the trailers.
Me and Olivia are gonna get some ice cream.
How are you getting there?
Uber.
Malia, you know I don't trust Uber.
You're overreacting. Come on, let's go.
What's taking her so long? Something doesn't feel right. I'm going downstairs to check.
What's my dad doing outside? Excuse me, you just passed my house.
Malia?
Hello, can you stop the car?
She never leaves her phone. Leanne, I'm coming!
This is the ice cream shop.
If you hurt her, I will find you. And I will...
Dad, what are you doing? What's TV?
Wow, there you go.
Starting right now?
Yeah. No. I'm the Shirtless Chef.
We're about to shake it up.
Picante. It means hot.
You're just a natural, aren't you? Must be those tattoos.
We got the flour, the sugar, and the cocoa.
So that's you.
Well, we baking back. I'm 3 layers of chocolate.
Yeah. We butter the walls already.
I'm not comfortable with you saying that with your shirt off.
You let this cook for about 12 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. Cookies are ready.
Out of this world.
Out of this world.
Fantastic.
I'm out. Thanks, bro.
I cooked that cake! Zeus is live right now. Make sure you subscribe. $3.99 a month. That's
Only
it.
$3.99. It's
Only
worth
$3.99
every
a
penny,
month.
I'm telling you.
Oh, my
so
mama,
many
G.
shows coming out. Subscribe below.
This is the beginning. Let's go.
Alright. So, in honor of ice cream and Shirtless Chef,
Yes.
we wanted to make some ice cream sandwiches and banana split with the Shirtless Chef.
Oh, yeah.
But you're not shirtless, so you gotta take off your shirt.
Okay, yeah. Here we
So
go.
wait, I have one question for
there we go.
the Shirtless Chef.
What's that?
How do you not burn yourself when you're shirtless?
Well, luckily we're making ice cream sandwiches, so I'm gonna get cold in the kitchen. Honestly, when I'm cooking with grease and oil, it's like a technique. You gotta stand
You
way
gotta have
back.
like a shield or something.
You gotta, like when you flip it, you gotta be like way back. Like you'll see on the show how I do it.
Yeah,
But
it's really dope.
technique. That's all it is.
Okay. Alright, so let's get started.
All right, let's do these cookies first. All right. Usually I cook cookies from scratch, but I'm trying to eat this ice cream right away. I ain't got time to waste, so we're gonna do the bag of cookies.
A bag of cookies. Ooh.
We're gonna use these chocolate chip cookies. Then you're gonna add your butter and eggs. You need a stick of butter, 1 egg.
Watch me do this with one hand.
Look at all them shells
Ooh,
in there.
don't
okay.
hit on me.
I thought it was gonna be all shells, no yolk. Okay.
I thought you could believe in me. You don't believe in me?
Well, now I do.
He has no faith.
Show and prove, baby. I see you. So now, just gonna mix that in. Mix all that in.
Is it easier if you use your hands?
I mean,
Does it matter? Can you use your hands usually? Like, I'll be like...
for me, it's easier like this, and then once I get the majority of it added together, then I go in with my hands. Chocolate chip cookies. Oh my god. Oh my god.
My neighbors are probably like, what are they doing?
Yeah.
We're baking cookies.
We're just making cookies. Don't worry about us.
Okay, that looks ready to put on the pan.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
So you preheat the oven.
350. Yep. Preheat to 350.
Alright. You're gonna
Just
get
make some little cookie balls.
make some little cookie balls.
You don't want the cookies too big because you gotta remember they're gonna expand
They're gonna
while they're in
puff
the
up.
oven. You know, sometimes you might be like, oh, I want a big cookie, but you don't realize this little cookie ball will turn into that big cookie.
Unless you want a big cookie, like one big cookie.
Like the Pazookies or whatever.
Alright, so they are ready to be popped in the oven.
Yes.
Okay, so
No, I'm
let's
on
do
it.
that.
There you go.
Ooh, it's hot. Alright.
Let those bad boys bake for about 13 to 15 minutes.
Okay, so while that's cooking, we're going to be making banana splits.
Ooh.
So we have some toppings here. We have strawberries,
Yes.
nuts,
Yes.
cherries,
Keys.
and more nuts.
I know we got almonds, or you could do like the mix of the nuts.
Yeah, so whatever you like. You can't forget the sprinkles,
Yeah.
the whipped cream,
Yes.
and the Hershey's
Ooh.
chocolate syrup. I love this. And a banana.
Banana. No banana split without the banana.
Can't have a banana split without a banana. Oh, and we can't forget about the ice cream.
Oh yeah, ice
How you gonna
cream.
forget about the ice cream?
Daniel, you about to make a banana split with no ice cream?
That's not possible.
Okay, lucky for you, we got strawberry.
Ooh, strawberry,
We got some chocolate.
chocolate, chocolate,
We got some vanilla.
and vanilla. What's your favorite if you had to have one? Strawberry, chocolate, or vanilla?
I love chocolate ice cream.
I love chocolate, but I love strawberry.
Strawberry's fire too.
Okay, so let's start with the banana. We're gonna cut the banana. Here, you do the honors of opening the banana.
The hell?
So I gave it to him.
The banana.
Struggle.
Banana. The banana didn't pop. The banana. Smashed banana.
Banana. All right, so put it there. And then I'm gonna stab the banana. So you're going to cut the banana in half. Boom. So I'm gonna put one here and one there. Okay, so we have the bananas in the banana tray. And
Alright.
we actually got our banana trays from Baskin Robbins
We did.
because they didn't sell them at the store.
We said, yo, we just need the trays. We're gonna make our own banana split.
Yes. All right, so which ice cream do you want to put first? You love chocolate, so.
We could do chocolate, vanilla, strawberry.
Okay, chocolate. Ooh, that looks so good. Oh, you good? You got it?
Oh, oh.
Oh, that's a pretty scoop right there. Mmm.
Oh, you want a cup of water to rinse it after each scoop, so you
Oh,
don't
that's smart.
mix
So you don't
the-
mix the flavors, even though we're gonna eat it all together.
You don't want to mix
but
the flavors.
It looks pretty that way.
And the water helps the ice cream come out a little better.
Ooh, that looks so good. That vanilla. That's a nice scoop right there. And the strawberry. Ooh, that looks so good. And this is what it looks like so far.
Ooh, okay.
That looks delicious.
Looks pretty good.
Let's move
Instead of
on.
Baskin and Robbins, this Leanne and Don.
So let's add the toppings.
Okay.
Let's do strawberries on strawberries, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so we have the toppings on.
Yes.
Very lovely, good job. Okay, we're gonna put some whipped cream on top.
Ooh.
So the sprinkles next.
Mm. Can't forget the chocolate syrup.
Oh,
Ooh.
can't forget that. Alright. Ooh! That looks amazing. Last but not least,
The cherry on top.
cherries.
Gotta put the cherry on top.
Ooh.
Ooh.
1, a 2,
Word.
and a 3.
Word.
This looks better than Baskin Robbins if you ask me.
This actually does. Oh yeah, that's the chocolate side.
Strawberry side.
Oh.
You gotta grab the banana at the bottom too.
Mmm. No
Oh my god,
farm.
this is so good. I haven't had a banana split in
Oh.
so long.
With the cherry.
It's been so long since I've had one.
Oh. Woo.
Okay, so I think the cookies are ready.
Okay.
But we're gonna get to the cookies after we
Yeah.
eat this banana split.
Yeah,
So
you
give
got
us 5 minutes.
Give us a feeling. Mm.
So we're back,
We're back.
and it was delicious.
So good.
I like want to have another one.
I'm about to have like 10 of these though.
So the cookies are ready.
Cookies are ready. We already put them on our plate.
Yes, and we're going to use mint chocolate chip this time.
Yes. I got the scooper
With the scooper.
in the water.
Alright.
Ready.
Oh wait, so we flip one.
Flip one.
Ooh. So we scooped the ice cream,
Yes.
and now we're going to put our sprinkles. I have the
Okay.
rainbow sprinkles,
I'm gonna use chocolate sprinkles.
and we're just gonna sprinkle away. It doesn't want to stay.
It don't really stay, but
But wait, you can
It's all
actually
good.
Okay, I want to smush it on now. Can we smush it on? Is that what we do?
I mean, I don't want the cookie to crumble, so be careful. Because these are...
How can anyone bite this? It has to be smushed somehow.
Like that. You gotta slowly work it. You gotta massage the cookie into the ice cream. Oh.
There you go.
Oh, there we go.
Roll
Yo, this looks so good.
So now we try our cookie ice cream.
Ooh.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That was so good.
Oh, so good. It was cold.
It was really cold.
It's summertime.
You gotta balance.
Ice cream sandwiches,
One banana split
splits.
here, and the cookie ice cream sandwich here.
Yo, if y'all want to see more cooking, shirtless cooking, watch my show. If y'all want to see a whole bunch of ice cream, her show is a show for you. Either way, hits on hits. Make sure y'all subscribe.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Subscribe to our YouTube.
And subscribe to Zeus.
Comment, all that good stuff.
Mwah. Love you guys. Mwah.
I don't know what's better than kiss of the cookies.
Alright, we're done. Okay, how do you feel about
Is that good?
I don't
Should
know.
I do another one?
I don't know, I wasn't really on this very new platform. What?
So make sure you subscribe. Link is below.
$3.99.
$3.99. It's
One
a cup of coffee. I mean, Netflix $15.99. They taxing.
I don't even know if that looked good.
I doubt it.
You have to, it's all about.
I'm not a cameraman.
It works. What's up, everyone? It's Leanne V.
What's up, y'all? It's Don Benny. Make you spend a penny.
And welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to do some Q&As.